Morning, welcome to the channel. Just picked up this Vauxhall Corsa. I just want to try and flip. Paid £200 for it. It's got a little bit of damage here, which will need to be sorted out. I'm just going to give it a wash, a clean in a minute. It's got no MOT. I haven't even heard this car run yet. I'm hoping it's going to run, because the engine, normally these Corsa engines aren't very good for head gaskets. It's got a bit of damage at the front, so I need a headlight, front bumper. But did speak to a guy who deals with Corsas yesterday, and he's got the same colour bumper and a headlight, so I'm just waiting to give me a price on it. Yeah, so I'm just going to try and jump start it because I haven't even heard it run. Battery's flat, so let's see if it fires up. Right, here's the inside of it. Needs a good clean. I'll have to clean the seats up. I think all the bits and pieces are here. The manual, locking wheel nuts. Well, I'll just put the jump back on it. Hopefully there's enough power in it. Oh, I've got some form of life. Let's turn this off. Turn this off in. Like that. Got a nice light clutch. Wow, first turn. It's pretty good. No engine lights, which is good. Who's got any CDs in here? No. Okay. Well, that fired up straight away, which is all good. All good for me. And it doesn't sound that bad. It might sound different on the camera. Right. Gonna get the pressure washer out, give it a quick wash, hoover, and give it a once over. Let's see what colour the old water is. Yeah, that's perfect. Look. Normally they get all creamy in there when the head gaskets go, which is very handy. It's not. There we go. Just taking a dipstick out, so it's trying to get off your pressure. Lovely. Right. And it's only done 67,000 miles. Which is another nice little bonus. Oh, I haven't even looked in the boot yet. Right, some nice goodies in here. Oh, won't go because the engine is running. Okay. Maybe the central locking doesn't work. A bit of trim there, nice. An empty box of jump leads. A woolly hat, loads of rubbish, which is what you always get in cars like this. And that's what's in the boot. Don't know what this is. No idea. Some sort of knitting magazine. Nice. Right, let's get the pressure washer out. I'm going to give it a quick wash. Right, I've given the car a hoover, quick hoover, just a quick wash, just to see what if there's anything else I can see what's wrong with it. Going to clean the seats with the rug doctor next week. It's at home at the moment, not down here. As you can see, the seats need a bit of a clean. Done all the door shuts, door cards. Get some nice mats for it, and take it down for its MOT. Might just take it down for the MOT tomorrow. See what it's going to fail on. Then try and get the headlight. I have got a headlight, but it's a different style. My one that I've got hasn't got the black part in it. Yeah, so there's the damage on it. It's not too much damage, it's just the bloody bumper really. Bumper, headlight. But no, it's come up alright, the old car. Quite pleased with it. Hopefully I can make a bit of money on this one. Yes, I'm going to clean the seats Monday, get some car mats for it, take it for an MOT, get the headlight and bumper, and go from there. Alright, as you can see, I'm just going to do the seats. You can see how rough it is there. I've just done that seat, which doesn't look too bad. Obviously the driver's ones. So I'm just going to get my old faithful rug doctor out, which is here. Squirt some of this stuff on it, scrub it in with the old brush, and see how it comes up. There you go, seat's all nice and clean now. Lovely. It's come up really well actually. Right, on to the next job. Right, it's a new day. I'm just going to take the headlight out, which is going to be this bolt. It's going to be one down here, I think, if I remember rightly. Little one down there, you can see. Take the front bumper off. This one, this one, this one, this one. I guess there's a couple down the side, but this looks like it's already popped off. Maybe down the side here. Let's have a look. Yeah, there's one there, one down there, and a couple underneath. So I'm just going to crack on with that now. A bit of good news. Somebody phoned me yesterday and said, I've got a Corsa D. Am I interested in buying it? The engine's gone. So I bought that for 180 quid. I'm picking it up a little bit later. So I'm hoping it's going to have a headlight and a decent bumper, and obviously the crash bar, because this one's obviously damaged, bumper bar, whatever you want to call it, and then I can cancel the orders on the other ones I bought. But I have to wait and see until I pick it up. As you can see, you've got the front bumper off now. So to remove the headlight, you've got the one there, the one down there, which I showed you, the thing coming down, and another little 8mm here. That's going to remove the headlight. Now this is meant to be there, which is all broken off. This is bent here, so I can change that. To get the bottom of the bumper off, you've got three here, which holds it to the silver, oh no, to the, where is it, yeah, here. Screws it into that, which these have fallen off. There's three there that hold that. Let's just put these back on for later, so they don't lose them. And there's two on here, which the bumper holds onto that, which are here, one there and one there. These are ripped off. They're quite hard to get to because you've got the rubber around the front. I'm just glad I've got this other car coming in later for all the parts, which is perfect for me. Every cloud. Right, here's a screw that goes into the bumper and holds the shield in. This part's obviously broken off, so I'm going to put it back in here, like so. Hopefully it's going to fit in there. And then I'm just going to plastic weld it in place. So I don't really want to have to take this bracket. I know it's for pop rivets to undo, but it's going to be easier just to do that because it's just holding the corner of the bumper up really, because it clips in the top there. So I'm just going to do that now. I've got my soldering iron here, ready to plastic weld it. put some strength on it as well. I might just put a dab of glue on there just to hold it in place first. Well, I'm just going to go and collect this other car now. So this is ready to be rebuilt. Just going to put the bumper bar in, the bracket at the bottom that holds the bottom of the bumper, headlights back in. This has been plastic welded now. Get the soldering iron, just mount it, then I get a cable tie just to build up with a bit of melt from the cable tie. That should be fine. Hopefully the headlights on this other car are the same style, because these ones had the black inserts. If not, I can change the pair, save me a few quid. It's all about making a bit of money, a bit of profit, so hopefully all will be done. Well, here's the Corsa I just picked up. It's got the same wheels. Well, I need 3 tires for this one, which is brilliant. Obviously I'm going to take the headlights out, or the bumper bar now, and transfer it all onto this one. Right, got the bumper bar on. That's all secure. I put this part that holds the bottom of the bumper on. That's all on there now. I'm just going to buff the headlights up while they're off so the spray doesn't go all over everything, which is really annoying when it does that. The other headlights just arrived. I'm going to see which is the better one. Still in there. I'm still waiting for the bumper. Hopefully it's the right colour. If not, the one that I've just got off the other car down there is in very good condition, so I might just have to end up painting that if this one's a bit rubbish. Have to wait and see. Right, I've got the headlights in now. That's the original one I've just buffed. This is the one I bought, which has had some plastic welding done. That's a lot better than the one that was on the other parts car. So now, just going to wait for the bumper to arrive. Hopefully it's the same colour. If not, it can go back and I shall paint that. But it's looking quite good at the moment. Very pleased with it all. Right, the bumper's arrived that I've ordered, which is going to be sent straight back. I was hoping I wouldn't have to paint it. It's got all these marks here, here, all along here, all underneath. The grill's all broken there. Stone chips everywhere. Scuff down there. So that's going to be sent back. Trim's missing all down there. A bit of a joke really. The guy didn't say none of that. Didn't even say it needed painting. So I'm going to use the other one I've got. Right, I've arrived at the MOT garage. Fingers crossed it's going to pass. I know I need 2 tyres for the rear, which I've ordered. They should be here today, hopefully, so I'll get them fitted. But yeah, should pass. Fingers crossed. Right, good news. The car passed the MOT. Just a couple of little advisories, which I will sort out. Right, and the other good news, the guy who sent me that crappy bumper yesterday has refunded the money. Yeah. So here is the other bumper, which I've just given it like sand, just to key it up, ready for paint. Just giving it a wash. It's just drying at the moment to get all the dust and stuff off. Right, as you can see, I've given it one coat of paint. This obviously needs lacquering. Hope it's going to come out alright. It's from a rattle can, this is. The rattle cans cost $19.99, quite expensive nowadays. I've got another one, so I'm just going to go over it again in a minute. I don't know why these lines are here. No idea. Maybe I put it on a little bit too thick there. But hopefully the lacquer will make it look all good. Yeah, not too bad. Hopefully the colour seems okay. But we shall see. I've just cleaned up the fog lights. Plastics, they look quite nice. I tried to take the grills out, which was a bit of a disaster, so I've just left them in there. As you can see, just taped them up. And the lovely British weather, it's chucking it down outside. Happy days. Right, morning. This is what we did yesterday. We lacquered it. As you can see, it's come up. We haven't even polished this yet. I don't even think we are going to polish it, to be honest with you. This is out the gun, the lacquer. And it's just absolutely fantastic result Mark did. He was lacquering another car, so I said, I'll lacquer this quick, mate. He did it, and it's perfect. So what I'm going to do, take the paper off now, put the grille and the fog light back in, put this trim around here, then bolt it on and see what it looks like. Hopefully the colour matches okay, because obviously this was out of a rattle can, the colour. I think it's, we'll see. Doesn't look too bad from here, but when it's side by side, it could all change. Well, the car's all done now. The colour match is pretty good. It's very good actually. Got to catch it at the right angle. It matches the wings lovely and bonnet. Right, let's run through the costs in. I'll pay £200 for this car. It cost me £49 for one headlight. The MOT was 40 quid. The tyres, 2 rear tyres at the back, that 6mm tread, they were 50 quid for the pair. Then I bought some carpet mats which were £11.99, they still haven't arrived yet. That means my total expense on it is £350.99. So if you want to add the parts car to that, which was 180 quid, because I had the bumper and other bits off of it, that'll bring the total expense £530.99. But then I've sold quite a bit of stuff off that Corsa already. I sold the engine, rear lights, a wing, headlight, mirror and the radio. That come to 723 quid. So my profit so far, without even selling this car, is £192.01. Plus I've got the scrap money, which is 100 quid a tonne at the moment down there. So it's got to weigh just under a tonne, so it's got about 90 quid in scrap. So yeah. Right. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, give us a thumbs up. If you haven't, give us a thumbs down. But my next project is going to be this Audi, which I picked up the other day from Actual Audi. They said it's got a gearbox and clutch problem. Does go into the gears all right, but it's got the the twin clutch on it. It's automatic, and you've also got the flappy paddles to change gear if you want to. So yeah, it's an Audi A3 1.6 diesel S-tronic gearbox. So this will be the next one. Take the gearbox out, put a clutch in there. I'm pretty sure the gearbox is fine, because I did drive it and it's like it's slipping a little bit. Unless there's something else, other major issue that we can't find. Have to look into it. Okay, well thanks for watching.